Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you all that how to enable developer mode and USB debugging in your Android phone. For doing that, first of all open your settings. Then scroll down and click on system option. Once you click on that, you will find few more options. One of the option will be about phone. You have to click on that and find build number. Once you find it, you have to click on that 7 times to enable your developer mode, and you have to go back after enabling your developer mode and click on the developer option and then scroll down, and under the debugging tab you will find USB debugging. You have to click on that to enable it, and it will ask you the permission. You have to click on OK, and now your USB debugging is also enabled. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.